Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to install Gridbox on your Joomla website step by step. Before we begin, make sure you already have Joomla installed on your hosting or localhost and that you have already downloaded the Gridbox 3 installation package. Once everything is ready, log in to your Joomla administrator panel. After logging in, go to the System menu and select Extensions. On the installation page, you will see the Upload area. Simply drag and drop the Gridbox installation package here, or click to browse and select the zip file from your computer. When the installation is finished, you will see a success message on the screen. Now, go to the left sidebar menu, open Components, and find Gridbox. Click on it to open the extension. And that's it! You have successfully installed Gridbox on your Joomla website. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.